This is my first time at GITEX, but as a company, we're announcing that we're delivering really the automation success platform. You know, we're all facing an economy right now that is very, very different. There's a lot of change, a lot of macroeconomic change. What we're recognizing is that, you know, we're creating really an automation economy. You know, when people are hard to find to do the right jobs, when the cost of labor is going up, what you really need to be able to do is to drive through automation those additional capabilities that you need, but also free up people to do the right kind of work. So along with that, we've kind of got 5 major announcements that we're making. One is the ability for anybody to automate through any app using our platform. The other is around being able to discover what to automate. You know, I think if you ask people today, where would you benefit from automation? Business processes are so complex. Identifying those, mapping those, understanding what to automate. We have a platform that allows you to do exactly that with process discovery. You know, the idea about making document management very easy. If you look at document processing today, there's still trillions of documents that fly around. Being able to process those documents and then automate those using a single platform. Our 4th announcement is all about driving to unlocking IT. Today, there are not enough IT developers to help with building the automations people want. So we've got a citizen development capability built into our platform to really allow you to do automations yourself as citizens. And then finally, just scaling your load out. You know, again, when you think about automation, it lives in silos, but actually how do you take it to be across your whole enterprise? So those are our 5 big announcements, really kind of pushing people to think differently about the economy we now live in, which is an automation economy, and putting it all into a single platform, which we're terming our automation success platform. I joined Automation Anywhere in January of this year after 16 years at Salesforce. And I joined Salesforce in 2006 when people were like, well, what is this cloud thing? It's really interesting. I made the same decision-making criteria when I joined Automation Anywhere as I made then, which was to pick a platform that was truly innovative, to pick a company that had a great culture, and to join something that was subscription only, so focused on the customer because they're rebuying your software. Now, really what's different about Automation Anywhere versus others in this space is that technology platform. You know, if you were to cast your mind back to 2006, in the SFA market that was then, there were 2 companies. There was Siebel, which owned that market, and then there was the new competitor, Salesforce, which had a microservices cloud-based architecture that said, look, if you want new innovations from us, we will allow you to just upgrade what you have from us. Versus Siebel, which was built on the old technology that said, you have to migrate. So remember those migration cycles? Every 3 or 4 years, you'd have to go, oh, we want the new version. We've got to migrate, you know, a year-long cycle. Salesforce broke that, and that was the real innovation that Salesforce brought, which was being cloud native, and it allowed Salesforce to really deliver in this new category of CRM. The same thing is happening in automation. If you were to look 2 years ago, the big category was all about RPA, you know, and the competitors in that space. We were a leader in that space. We still are a leader in that space, but we made the decision to re-platform completely to be cloud native, which means all of our customers on our A360 platform will never have a migration cycle. We will give them the upgrades. And that's the differentiator that we created 3 years ago when we made a bold decision to re-platform. It's what actually sets us apart from the legacy competitors in this space. It's actually what will allow us to deliver a much more greater set of innovations as we look forward, as this category moves from RPA to intelligent automation, which is significantly broader, because now you have to discover. It includes mining, it includes AI, it includes human in the loop, it includes normal RPA. The category of intelligent automation is bigger, and we're able to innovate faster because we have one version of code.